Temu hauls and a thrift haul from down at the beach. I didn't get very much down at the beach, so I just combine it with this stuff here. And Mr. Retros is here.
Howdy.
There he is. There he is. Yeah, I don't remember what I got exactly, so we'll all see together. Oh, this is, I'm trying to, oh, I see, I think this is too light. You can't tell the colors of these darn things. See, this one's too light. So that's a return. They look different. This one, oh, I think this one will work. Okay. This one. I think that one will work. That one's better, I think. Eh?
Yeah, it looks great.
Yeah, isn't it beautiful?
Yeah.
Okay, this one will work. This one's pretty good. Yeah. You want to try one? Maybe you can wear this one.
No.
This is a keeper. Okay, so I got those two. They're like $1.80 or something. And then I got one. What is this? Oh, what's this one? I think this is a clip. Sometimes we're doing messy buns, but I'm always trying to perfect my messy bunness. This one, I think this is better too. Okay, this is a darker shade. Yeah. I don't know what this is. Is this for like a mullet, you think?
Yeah, it's probably.
Huh. I don't know, I guess I can cut that off or wind it around. Or have a mullet, maybe. Yeah. But this is the jaws. Ooh. So, okay, those are okay. Oh, I got, this is one that was for Baby Retros. Has her hair dark. And she's trying to grow it out, but she wants something to kind of snazz it up in between. So we're going to try one of these. Oops. Halo things. But I think, boy, it's all got these little thingy here. Oh. That's not bad. It's like a real dark brown, you know. That's kind of cool. So we'll try that on, and then you see it's all stuck together. It's one of those halo things with this jobby here. There it is. And you can put a flat iron on it, supposedly. So we'll try that. The House of Hair. Now, this. Oh, these are for Mr. Retros. These are stretchy shoelaces.
Yes. Brown, two different colors of brown. That's good.
Yeah.
I like the ones on the right.
Well, they're kind of the same.
They are. Okay.
I guess. Right. I don't know. Cool. For his fancy shoes.
All right.
So, you can put these in, really snazz them up. Upgrades. Upgrades. Well, you know, I used to buy these all day long at the dollar store. And now they don't have them. So now I'm getting them on Temu. They're just those little click razor knives. You know, that one I had, the thing was disengaged. It kept sliding out. That was super fun. So, what'd they get? Like 6 of these for like $2 or something.
Even cheaper than
I know, they do look even chintzier than dollar store ones, if you can believe it.
How do they do that?
I don't know. They've perfected cheapness. So, that's that haul. And then this is, what is this? No, this is a thing for holding your phone in the car. You know? You're always looking for some place to put your phone. So you can put this, yeah, and then you stick these dealies. I don't know how this goes. Look at this. This goes in the fan, the little fan vent somehow. Like, yeah.
Oh, that's weird.
Okay. And then you stick your phone in there. I don't know. I'll have to figure that out. See if you like it. If not, Let's send it back. Keep the bags. When you return things to Temu, make sure you have the original bags to stick it back in, because they just read this code thing, I guess. So that's a tip for you. And this, what's this? Oh, these are my lights for the mantle. Oh, they like that? Oh, yeah. Okay, these are, what do you call them? LED lights.
Yeah.
That I'm gonna put on the mantle, and they just USB plug into a little thing. I had one in a valance at the beach that must be a good 16 feet, because the valance is 10 or 12 feet. So I was able to put it up there, and it looks great. So these are like $1.97 or something. I get that one. I get 3 of them. I get 3 of them. What's this? Are they all the same? I forget what I ordered. And sometimes they bump up the mouse, I think. And it's like, I only ordered one of these. I think they're all the same length.
That's for one that cracks out.
Yeah, probably. And then it screws up. Oh, no, I got 4 of them. I think it's 4 of them. I don't know. Maybe I could always use them somewhere else, or on my shelves. I don't know. Okay. And then, what's this? Oh, this is another one that you can put in your car. It's got a seal. Let's get this zipping. It's just a mount for your phone in the car. Otherwise, they want to slide around. That's annoying. It's got a little suction, or a stick 'em. Stick
Put
'em.
that on your dash.
Yeah, and then
I
you
see.
can put your phone in there. That.
If it'll fit. That looks pretty thin.
You have your phone. Where's your phone? In your packet.
Mine's too thick for that.
Oh. Well, it's rubbery. It's got a little. I don't know what that's for back there. I don't know. Does it turn? I guess it does. If you put it down, that little swivel. Oh yeah, it'll turn. Yeah, well, that's good. And these were really inexpensive. Like, I don't know, $1.83 maybe. I'm not sure. Let's see. Let me see.
There's that rubber.
There.
Oh,
Oh,
alright.
see? That's one of my outfits there, for one of my dolls. I printed that. What's that? There. I printed that helmet. And the, let me see. Oh, and the, what?
There.
And the glasses. And I made
That was a cool,
yeah, and
good
that,
picture.
and the outfit. Yeah, you can do it that way too. Oh, this is pretty snazzy. Okay.
It'd be good for your dash.
Yeah, so this is good, like that. There's something else in here. Oh, this is another one. I just bought an assortment, because we have 3 cars, so you can try one in each one. Let me get this open. Here. This one is a... Oh, this goes in the vent, too. See, you put it...
Okay.
Get it in the vent.
Oh, I
It's
see.
got little jaws. I forgot it.
See, if this one fits in there.
Oh, it goes like this. What's it doing? There. And this goes in the vent. See, it just clips in there. There. Well, this is adjustable. So, that's, okay, that's cool. I think these will be good. So, that's nice. That's what I got from Temu. Then I went to the thrift store. Let me get this. Oh, I got this at Anchor Thrift. Oh, look. I don't know if your phone will fit in there with that big case. You have to take the phone out. Let's
The
take this.
phone doesn't like to go out of the case.
No, I know, they don't. Okay. What are you doing? What's holding you up? There.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. See,
Yeah,
then,
so you can
see,
watch
then you can
movies.
watch stuff on there, you know. It'll be great.
Right.
Oh, I can't get it out now. Oh no, you're gonna have to
well.
just put this in your
That'll be
pocket.
your case.
Oh, here's your case. This will be your new case. Watch out! Don't break
That'd
these.
be handy.
Here's how you adjust it here with these little knobs.
Adjust.
I just thought it was kind of funny. $1.99. That was an Anchor. I think I got this at Anchor.
Pretty cool.
This is a. Can you see it? Can you see it? Can you see it? It's a Starbucks cup, and it's kind of a iridescent dark green. It's kind of snazzy.
Cool.
It's got this thing here, and
Is it rubbery?
yeah, it's kind of rubbery and neat. You know, you can put your iced coffee in there. See, it's kind of cool. See, it's sort of iridescent green, which is sort of neat. So, I've never had one of these before. Now I have one. That one was $5. Then I got this thing. Is this one half price?
Yeah,
this-
we paid up for that.
This was half price. Something else I got was half price there. I don't remember what it was now. I think it's something I left at the beach, but I don't remember what it was. This was ended up being $4. It's glass, and it's got a metal base, and it's got a little light in there, like you can kind of see it. And then it's got it's battery here, and then you just turn this on. You can't really see it. It's
Didn't go on.
didn't go on. Oh, did my batteries poop out? I had those crummy cheap batteries. Well, now it's not going on.
Huh.
But the light goes on. It's supposed to stay on for like, I don't know, 6 hours or something. Yeah. So it's glass. I mean, even if it don't light up, I can always put it in my glass shelves area. And then Mr. Retro's got this at Thrift City for 40 cents, and it says Ballard on there. Nice.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oofta.
Yeah, sure.
This is a Scandinavian area in Seattle that they used to refer to as Snooze Junction.
Ballard.
Or-
Ballard.
Ballard.
What's the best?
It's not really. It's not really. I avoid it like the plague. Just saying. Anyway, this I got at Goodwill. This is just some scented candles, tranquil something, but they smell nice. You gonna smell them?
Okay.
And then Mr. Retro's got this pitcher. It's just a Brita
Need a
pitcher. I need to get the canister for it. You put it in the fridge out in the garage.
For my water.
For his waters that he puts in his Ballard thing,
Yeah.
and then runs around Ballard with it, drinking water and carrying on. And then these, when I put that new sink in the kitchen, they gave me a, what is that, Glacier Bay? Is that what it's
Right,
called?
yeah.
They gave me a really fancy, nice microfiber towel for the stainless steel. And now I'm hooked on them. And I'm all microfibers, the way to go. I bought some nice ones at Home Goods that are like dish towels, small ones, like washcloth size. So these are all. But these, I've seen these on QVC. And you're supposed to just be able to, oh, it's 4 of them. Ooh, they're 14 by 14.
Jeez.
These are nice. You're supposed to be able to clean with these with just water.
Really?
Yeah. So, we will give these, they feel quality. Feel them, feel them.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, nice and thick. So, we got ways to clean now, like up the yin-yang. And when I bought some, maybe I'll add a picture at the end here. I bought some flooring at Habitat for Humanity. I'm going to be redoing the master bathroom. And they had luxury vinyl plank flooring. And I found 2 boxes, should be enough to do that bathroom. And they were $20 a box, and then we get 25 off
Yeah,
that
I
color
think
tag.
so.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah.
So I can get a new floor for like $35. It's glue down, but I can do it. So I will add a picture. And I think that's all I have for now. So, I will see you later. Say goodbye, Mr. Retros.
Bye, Mr. Retros.
You want some of these towels?
No.
Okay. I'll see you later. Bye-bye.